Hi all, Happy New Year. This is Dr. Avni Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and let's see what the year has in store for you, Aries. So this is a series where I will be talking about each and every zodiac sign and what will happen with this zodiac sign in this whole year. I will be giving you trailers of each and every month starting from January to December 2023. Let's see what's going to happen in this year for you, Aries. So I'll be picking 12 cards. Let me see. Aries, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yay! So let's see what the year 2023 has in store for the Aries. I'll be talking month by month, all right, so that you understand the trailer, the main events of the month. What is that you have to look at in this month? So, Aries, in the month of January, all right, in the month of January, my advice is do not take much risks. Don't take much risks. Play safe in each and every aspect. It could be relationship, it could be health, it could be money, it could be career, or any projects or any idea for that matter. Things might be very luring. Some schemes might come your way, some people might come your way, and you might feel, wow, this is it. But do not take the risk. Wait for a month. Okay, so that's January for Aries. In February, you might find toggling in two situations. You might find that you have some decision making to make, and if this is what I do, then that's the pro, and this is what I do, then this is the con. So you will be toggling in two situations, but just stay calm. All right, ask yourself your priorities and ask yourself, even if there are risks, are you ready to handle it? So the problem is never an issue. If you can handle the problem, then everything is sorted. It could be the biggest problem, biggest mountain, it could be sorted. uh, okay, there might be some bad news relating to relations, but in the sense of understanding the truth of someone whom you loved. So that's one key. You might find out someone else's truth in relation. But again, handling the situation becomes very, very important. In March, you have to take care of your health for sure. Everything else will be fine in March, but your health might go for a toss. But I'm just talking about 1 month, that is March. April, mein, there is something to party. Some birthday, maybe, yeah, actually, or some celebration, marriage, something to party. Just that the card shows an over party. So, Monday morning blues, and after party hangover. That's all. I mean, everything is fine in April, but reason to smile and party, right? Um, May. May is something to look at unless you will be downloading lot of ideas, lot of out of the box ideas. This year will be a very quenchful year, a very curious year for that matter. You want to do new things. You might be wanting to try new things. And I see that from January itself, that you want to take certain risks. Now, here I don't say do not take risks, just that your ideas are out of box and you have to make people understand. Not everyone can understand out of the box ideas. You're very creative, very, very, very creative. So work on the execution part here. you might lack execution. There's so many ideas, so many downloads, so many new things. Let me do that. If I do that, then this. If I do this, then that. And then I'll enhance this with, something like a topping. But the execution, because you'll be in thoughts completely. That's a trailer for May. June is again good, a little delay in what you are expecting in June, a little delay. So that should not be an area of concern because I think things come at the right time. So it's as simple as that. Fair enough. Everything that you expect, you will get in June. A little delay. Delay in the sense, if you thought you will get a payment by 10th, you'll get a little delayed and you'll get it by 20th. That's all. That's the delay part I'm talking about. Alright. Then we go to July. July will be very fine, especially for people who are into jobs. Okay, everything is fine. Expect promotions, expect good rapport with people around, increments, everything you can expect for Aries. Yes, it's a very, very good card, especially people at job. Even others can enhance their career, or actors could go for bigger auditions, wider canvas. People who are not in job, self-employed people can take a bigger canvas and you'll get help. Right? August is a very divine card. You'll be divinely supported. Overall, everyone is divinely supported, but especially in August for Aries, they'll get lot of blessings. So this is the time that you should meditate. You should be doing certain rituals. You will be maybe connect to yourself. And however, sometimes just by doing fasting, you connect to yourself. Sometimes you go on a pilgrimage. Sometimes you visit mandirs. Whatever is your formula of getting, connecting to yourself. This is what you will have to do. Yeah, little mood swings you might face, but it's okay. Not a big deal. Right? August, September, nice. Some good, again, August, September, both are very spiritual cards. So you will get some good message or idea relating to spirituality. Uh, yeah, actually. And if people are expecting kids, this is the time. I mean, there might be good news of conceiving. There might be some good news of yeah, some divine mission, some realization, some good idea, some good blessing that you can redeem. So both August and September are very spiritual cards for you all. October, there will be unexpected changes. You might have not expected. Now here I can't claim, being a tarot reader, that the changes would be good. Sometimes expected changes are also not good, and sometimes unexpected changes are also not good. That's a perspective that you need to have with yourself. And yes, there are unexpected changes. October. November, great. November, I see a little of mismanagement and misorganization. You need to take care of your management skills and start from your closet. So always, actually, I always say that if you feel mismanaged, look at your closet. If your closet is managed, if your dressing is managed, if everything is organized in your drawer, you are mentally properly organized. So this is what you need to do in November and December. There is some international tinge. So you might, maybe you will just go out for a holiday or for work, or you will get international recognition, or you will be in an international school or whatever. So there is the clue is international. So overall, the coming year seems really, really good. Just take care of your health in March, if I want to sum up. Yeah, and then overall, you just have to think good, give good thoughts. So should not be a problem. I would recommend an amethyst to you all. So this is an amethyst. This is an amethyst. So if you want, you can use an amethyst in any shape. Now this is just a bracelet. You could use an anklet. You could use a tumble you can put it in your water bottle. I generally have my tumble in my bottle and then drink that water. So yes, I think I would recommend an amethyst for Aries. I hope that really helped you to get a perspective for the coming year, and do share this video with everyone, and I have all other videos coming up for other zodiac signs as well. Thank you so much and have a happy new year. Bye bye.